Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. In today's workout, today we have a CrossFit style workout. We have 5 different exercises, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off. We're getting started in 20 seconds. This workout is perfect for small spaces like this one. It does not require any lifting overhead, as I can't really do that too much over here because I'm already touching the ceiling. So we are starting with 10 seconds with goblet squats. I am using heavy dumbbells for this today, so expect me to struggle. We are going in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 45 seconds of goblet squats. Remember, 45 seconds on, 15 seconds off, 5 exercises, 3 times through, grand total of 15 minutes. All right, try to keep the best form that you can. Less than 30 seconds left. No breaks in between. We are just going straight through this with that 45 on and 15 seconds off. 20 seconds left. I am using 30 pounders for this, which for some of the exercises will feel light. Some of the other exercises will feel very, very heavy. Nice and challenging. Less than 10 seconds left. Keep squatting with me. 3, 2, 1. Let's get down on the ground for some Renegade Rows. This is one of the exercises where it's going to feel heavy, and that's okay. A little bit of a challenge. Best form that you can. You guys ready to go? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom. No push up, just the row. Try to keep the best plank that you can. It might not look like it, but I am trying. 30 seconds left. Keep moving. Keep at it. 20 seconds. Good balance. 10 seconds. Definitely feeling the core on this one. 3, 2, 1. I want to get out. All right, exercise number 3. As always, previews up. You guys already know. On this side, clock on that side. Whew. Deadlifts. Grab those weights and let's go. Keep it up. Halfway down with the interval. Keep going. Brace that core. Come on, 10 seconds left. Let's go. 5, 3, 2, 1, and we're getting down on the ground for some Russian twists. These 30s are gonna make it fun and challenging. Whew. Let's go. Get after it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Weight up and let's go. Keep at it. There we go. 40 seconds. Wow, only 5 seconds went by. This is getting heavy. That's okay. Balance, core, strength, stability. We got it all. Let's keep moving. By the way, this is video, I believe, number 608 in 5 years where I have not missed an upload. By the way, thank you for 3,000 subscribers. Consistency pays off. And God knows I'm nothing if not consistent. 10 seconds. Keep twisting with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are done. All right, we're moving on to suitcase reverse lunges. So 1 dumbbell, 1 suitcase. I'm gonna switch dumbbells halfway through. Ready? Reverse lunge and back up. Reverse and up. About 20 seconds through, so we'll switch hands. And up, back, up. Keep going. Almost done with round number 1. I am switching. Back, up, nice and control. Back all the way down and up. All the weight is on that front leg. Bag legs just for support. 5 seconds. Keep going. 3, 2, 1. Relax 15. Right back to the top, guys. Right back to goblet squats. More legs. Brace during those goblet squats. Go down as deep as you can. Keep your back as upright as you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Squat down and up. Down. Keep going. Come on. 30 seconds. Nice and control. Heart rate's rushing, feeling good. $15 seconds. Keep it up. Come on. Squat. Squat. Let's go. Push it. Squat. 5 seconds. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Weight down. Get ready for those Renegade Rows once again. Best form possible. Remember, nice and tight on the core. 5 seconds. Get into your planks. In 3, 2, 1. Plank. Row. Row. Row, row, row. Come on. All the way up and down. Pull it up, down. Core, back, shoulders. We're working on all this exercise. Keep going. Less than 20 left. We got this. Keep it up. Five seconds left. And we're done. Keep those weights right there. We're going for our deadlift. All right. All right, 5 seconds. You guys ready to rock and roll? I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's go. Weights up, weights down. Keep those weights close to your body. You're doing a bar deadlift. You guys deadlift regularly. You know that bar is gotta be scraping on those shins and on those quads. 20 seconds. Keep moving. Keep it up. 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Get our butts down on the ground. Going for Russian twists. 10 seconds. I want to take a breather. Whew. Breather's done. All right. 5, 4, 3. Legs up. And let's go twist and twist. That's right. 40 seconds. Rotational movement. Something we don't work on often. Something we should work on more often. Keep it up. 25 seconds. Stay at it. 20. Keep lifting that weight. I know it's heavy. It's okay. It can't fall to the ground that far. Keep it up. Come on. 10. Stay with me. If I can do it, you can do it. 3, 2, 1. Chill. All right. Reverse lunges. 1 dumbbell. Second time through. We have 6 minutes of working out left. In the bag now. Grab that dumbbell. Ready? 1. And let's go. Step back and up. Nice and stable. Up and up. Back. Come on. Up. Look at me. Look at me. Stay nice and stable. Leg goes back. All the weights on that front leg. That's what I want to see. 1 more and I'm switching. Switch with me. Other side. Let's go. Down. Up. Down. Always for me, one leg is more stable than the other. Down. So this back leg can go a little bit diagonally for a little bit of stability. Doesn't have to go straight back. Doesn't matter. All the weights lie in the front, working leg. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and chill. All right, let's chill for a few seconds. All right, 2 rounds down, guys. 1 round to go. We're almost there. Give yourselves a hand. We have less than 5 minutes left. Goblet squats for final time. 2, 1, let's go. Down, up, down, up. Keep it up. 30 seconds left, 30 seconds, last 30 seconds of goblet squats. Come on, push it. You don't have to do as many reps as you can. You do as many reps as you can with the best form that you can. 15, 10, almost there. Come on, 5, 3, last 1, and we're getting on the ground. Renegade Rows, last set. Make it the best set. Let's go with me, ready? In 5 seconds. Catch your breath. 3, 2, 1, plank, and let's go. 1, 2, keep it up. 1, last set. 2, 1, keep it up. 2, 1. 30 seconds left. This is the last 30 seconds. We got this. Keep going. More than halfway down with the interval. This is it. Good ones. All the way back and down. Under control. Back, down, back, down. 10 seconds. Come on. Push it with me. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Woo. All right. 3 exercises left. We're going in 10 seconds. Grab those weights. We're going for deadlifts. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Down and up. Down. Looking good. Feeling better. Down, up, down, and up. And up. And up. 30 seconds. You got this. I got this. I feel good. I'm tired. I'm sweaty. I'm ready to rock and roll. Come on. Go with me. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. All right. Let's go. Russian twist, sometimes as I call them, my communist twist. Come on. 5, 3, 2, I'm running right behind. 1, and let's go. Boom, boom. Twist with me. Twist with me. Come on. All the hardest exercises are always from those ex or current communist countries. Go figure, right? 30 seconds. Come on. Have a little laugh with me. 3. I don't know why did I say 3? It was 30 seconds. We're almost at 20. Keep twisting. Keep moving. 20 seconds. It's heavy. Come on. Staying fit after 50 with me, guys. Keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last 1. All right, 1 more exercise left. See if I can get up. I can. Suitcase, reverse, lunges, for the last time, in 5 seconds. Grab your weight. I don't care what leg you start on, as long as we finish. And let's go, ready? Stay with me. Remember, switching halfway through. Last 1, switch hands, other leg. Last time, 20 seconds left. Keep pushing, keep moving, keep working, Come on. Working leg. Up. Less than 10. Means 4 more reps. 3, 2, 1. And you can drop the weight just not on your foot. Guys, thank you for joining me today for After 50. This was a quick, kind of CrossFit style workout. Not as CrossFit-y because we try to actually watch our form. Anyway, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. My name is Paul. This is my basement. This is Fit After 50. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys had a good workout, and I'll see you during your next workout.